Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy-sell NFT on Binance, only ways. Start by creating and verifying your Binance account and enabling two-factor authentication. Next, connect a compatible wallet or use the Binance wallet, then transfer funds into your account. Finally, navigate to the NFT marketplace, place bids or create listings, and monitor transactions for fees and confirmation. I'll guide you through each step so you feel confident and secure. Create and verify your Binance account, complete identity verification, and set up two-factor authentication right away. Choose whether to use the Binance wallet or a third-party wallet that supports NFTs and Binance Smart Chain. Transfer funds such as BNB or BUST to your wallet to prepare for purchases. Always back up your seed phrase securely and consider a hardware wallet for long-term holdings and added peace of mind. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes listening to market alerts and NFT drops effortless and fun. I use one to get subtle trade notifications without staring at my phone constantly, and it sounds great for background tunes while I research. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by browsing the Binance NFT marketplace and choosing a collection you trust, checking creator credentials and rarity. To buy, use Instant Buy or place a bid and wait for acceptance. To sell, create a detailed listing with clear images, metadata, and reserve price. Set competitive pricing while accounting for marketplace fees and gas costs, and confirm transactions promptly. Monitor sales and manage offers to optimize outcomes over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.